Alright guys, we are unboxing the MPS Xbox, the military grade gas booster. You can see it's not a small unit, quite easily handled by two persons. One person would be possible, but it would be quite a strain because of the weight. And we have placed this on an elevated platform, short table. Make it easier to boost, but if it's on a vessel, you best have it secured, elevated. So on the system, as you can see, there are standard 3 outlets, DIN female fittings that you would boost directly, 3 cylinders, DIN male fittings which you will connect your cylinders directly to, and on this side will be 3 hose extension outlets which are provided. As you flip open, you will see everything is provided for. There are 4 packages in here, 3 outlet hoses and 1 drive gas head connection. We'll show you the drive gas head connection and 1 sample drive gas head connection. Alright, and this will be the drive regulator, which is going to be quick connected to this portion here. It's a male and female connection. And we're going to quickly show you the DIN fitting on one of the whips, which is also a quick connect, connected to one of these outlets for your bigger standing cylinders. Alright, the inlet regulator is also part of the setup inside this recess area beneath. Alright, these are oxygen cleaned, so be careful how it's handled, and this would clearly state inlet gas, while the rest are all outlet gases. Alright, so that's the unboxing. Please watch the other videos for the boosting setup.